Hi students, if you see this problem once, P is a point on the parabola. Let us say P is a point on the parabola given ordinates whose ordinate equals to its abscissa. Suppose if it has x comma y, x and y are equal, x comma y are ordinate and abscissa, then they are equal. A normal is drawn at that parabola at point P, meets it again at Q. Suppose the normal is meets again at Q, same parabola. If S is the focus of the parabola, then the product of the slopes SP and SQ is, what is SP and SQ? Suppose S is the focus. Suppose if you consider the standard parabola, the coordinates of P can be taken as AT square comma 2AT. What is standard parabola? Y square is equal to 4AX. Suppose S is the focus, then it can be A comma 0 focus. We need to find out Q in order to find out the product of the slopes. So, as abscissa and ordinate are equal, you can write AT square is equal to 2AT. So, by cancel T, we get A and also A can be cancelled. T is equal to 2, we get. T is equal to 0, for T is equal to 0 also you get, but we get the same points at the 2 points coincide. T is 0 at the vertex only, so that T can be taken as a 2. So for T is equal to 2, what about P? P can be A into 2T square. A into T square means 2 square. A into 2 square comma 2A into 2, that is equal to 4A comma 4A is the point P. P coordinates 4A comma 4A. So let's try to find out Q. Q is other point of the chord where the normal meets. We know the other end point of the normal is, suppose P is 81 square comma 281. Other end can be taken as the coordinates, the parameter of other end can be taken as T2. Let us consider minus T1 minus 2 by T1. It is the formula to find out minus T1 minus 2 by T1, minus T1 minus T by 2n. So here other end of the parabola, the parameter T can be calculated as minus T1 means minus 2, minus 2 by T1 means 2. Here T can be taken as T1. So that is equal to minus 3. It is T2. So therefore Q can be taken as, Q is AT2 square comma 2AT2. Actually it's general form AT2 square comma 2AT2. Here it can be taken as Q is equal to AT2 square. T2 square means minus 3 whole square comma 2AT2 means minus 3. So simplifying you will get 9A comma minus 6A, 9A comma minus 6A. This is other end point of the normal Q. From the figure, if you consider, it is PSQ. First we find out slope of PS and later we find out slope of SQ. Their slopes should be multiplied to get the product. So simply we can get here the Q point is 9A comma minus 6A. So using slope of PS and slope of SQ are to be calculated. So here P is equal to 4A, S is equal to A comma 0 and Q is equal to 9A comma minus 6A. Slope of SP is equal to Y2 minus Y1 by 4A minus 0 by 4A minus A. 4A minus A, that is equal to 4 by 3. This is slope of SP. Slope of SQ is equal to Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. 0 plus 6A by A minus 9A. From the given points you can write it. 9A. It is equal to AA cancelled. It will be 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. So product of the slopes equal to product of slopes is equal to 4 by 3 into minus 3 by 4, which is equal to minus 1. This is the final answer.